A very good morning to one and all present here. As per the instructions of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, we will be conducting the online draw of lots for Class 1 for the session 2021-22 on 23rd June, that is today, from 11:30 to 12:30 p.m. The committee for the draw of lot comprises a 5-member team led by our respected principal, Shri Anil Yadav, as the convener. Mr. A. Banerjee is the nominee chairman for KVOF Damdam. Mr. Iftikhar Latif is the teacher representative. And due to the imposition of lockdown, our parent representatives could not be present with us today. We hope that all of you will join us through the live session where there will be a very clear demonstration of how the online draw of lots is being conducted. We wish you a very warm welcome on behalf of KV Ordnance Factory Damdam. KVOF Damdam has 3 sections in Class 1 with an intake capacity of 120 students, where 30 seats are reserved for Right to Education or RTE category as per government norms. 4 seats are reserved for the Differently Abled or DA category. 15 seats come under SAQ or Sponsoring Agency quota. For us, the sponsoring agency is Ordnance Factory Damdam. And the remaining 71 seats will be distributed according to the service category of the parent as per their applications. The OLA or OLA portal of the school gives us a summary of the data of applications that we have received. And with everyone's permission, I'd like to present the data before you all. OF Damdam has received a total of 2,188 applications for 120 seats, of which 624 applications are for RTE or Right to Education. We have received 639 applications for SGC or Single Girl Child category. 6 applications have come for KVS Ward category, 96 for EWS or BPL category, and 13 applications have come under DA or Differently Abled category. Before we begin with the lottery, we will be sharing a demo of the lottery for you once this live gets over, and we start with our second live where the computer screen will be shared with all of you. In the demo lottery, you will be getting a glimpse of how the original lottery will be conducted, which is going to be computer generated. We will be having a pre-lottery number where the serial number is given according to the applications that we have received. After the lottery is conducted, you will be given a post-lottery number. The post-lottery number is the order in which the computer has selected the chosen candidates after the online lottery is conducted. After the draw of lots or the online lottery, there will be a list where 30 students for RTE will be selected, after which from post lottery number 31, the waiting list will be beginning. For DA, there will be 4 seats. 4 students or candidates will be selected under DA, following which the rest will be waitlisted. And for priority 1, there will be 70 seats or 71. There also you will see that after the lottery is conducted, the post-lottery number will have an arrangement where the students are arranged or they have received the seats according to the service category of the parents. Also, it will be there in a decreasing order with the highest number of transfers that the parents have had in the last 7 years getting a precedence over the rest. All the other lists are to be displayed in the Vidyalaya notice board by today evening and in the school website as well. Our school website is http://ofdamdam.kvs.ac.in. I repeat, ofdum.kvs.ac.in. Parents may see the status of their wards in the lists that will be uploaded in the school website or will be there put up outside the school gate. Due to COVID-19 situation, the parents are requested not to visit the Vidyalaya as per the instructions of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan and the government norms that we are to follow. The admission cell will be sending the admission form, declaration form and few other notifications regarding the admission process via email. The dedicated email ID of the school will be used, from which a mail will be sent to your personal mail ID that you had filled in while applying for the child's application in the school. The same email ID will be used. Kindly apply for the application only if you have received the mail from the school and not any forwarded mail from your colleagues and friends. Today itself, the selected candidates will be as per the seats available list will be present. All parents will submit their admission form in an envelope or an envelope in the drop box kept at the school gate number 1. After successful verification of all the documents, admission will be granted and a fee challan will be given to the parent from their respected class teachers. After filling in of the fees, the admission process will be completed for all of you. I hope the instructions given to you is clear. Thank you so much. Now we'll be handing it over to our computer teacher, Mrs. Sen, who will be showing you the live of the lottery from 11:30 in her computer screen. Once again, we'll first have a demo lottery of RTE, followed by the live original lottery, which will be conducted only once. The computer will shuffle the list and accordingly the entire list will be presented to all the parents of the selected candidates in the different categories. Thank you and have a nice day.
We'll go to SC lottery. কোথায় গেছিলাম ভুলে গিয়েছি। Lottery. The list has been created and the list is being stored. The list is being shown for all categories lotteries. So this is category 3. The next is category 4. lottery result that is being stored. It's barless, please. Category 5. And here will conduct the lottery. This is the last category. So we have reached to the last category, that is SGC lottery, single girl child. So we'll click there, and in single girl child total number of application is 632, and we'll click on conduct lottery to conduct the lottery online. And this is the list created for a single girl child. As you can see, total number after 6 the waiting list is being started. So we'll download SGC lottery list. This is the post lottery list for single girl child. And this is the, I'll show the folder once. This is class 1 online lottery. As you can see, all of the categories, category 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then different labeled lottery, different labeled lottery, SC, SC, single girl child, ST, all of the lists, post lottery list are stored here. We'll go to SC lottery because it's lottery language. Lottery. The list has been created and the list is being stored. The list is being shown for all categories lotteries. So this is category 3. The next is category 4. This is the lottery result that is being stored. Category 5. And here we'll conduct the lottery. This is the last category. So we have reached to the last category, that is SGC lottery, single girl child. So we'll click there, and in single girl child total number of application is 632, and we'll click on conduct lottery to conduct the lottery online. And this is the list created for a single girl child. As you can see, total number after 6 the waiting list is being started. So we'll download SGC lottery list. This is the post lottery list for single girl child. And this is the, I'll show the folder once. This is class 1 online lottery. As you can see, all of the categories, category 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then different labeled lottery, different label lottery, SC, SC, single girl child, ST, all of the lists, post lottery list are stored here.